What if I told you there's a new vaccine, but not for COVID, not for flu? This one is for obesity. Yes, an actual weight loss injection that could reprogram your fat cells and help you shed pounds without strict diets or brutal gym sessions. Sounds too good to be true, right? As a doctor, I've seen the struggle. Patients trying every diet, every workout plan, every supplement just to lose a few kilos. And often, they gain it right back. That's why when I heard about this experimental obesity vaccine entering trials, I had to take a deeper look. Let me explain what it is, how it works, and whether we're looking at a miracle or a myth. So here's the scoop. A biotech company in the US has developed a new vaccine known as Advantage, currently in phase 1 clinical trials. It targets a specific hormone-like protein called somatostatin. Now, somatostatin naturally slows down the release of growth hormone, which helps regulate fat burning and metabolism. The vaccine works by producing antibodies that block somatostatin, allowing your body to release more growth hormone, which then helps burn more fat. In early animal studies, obese mice that received the vaccine lost 10–15% of their body weight, even without changing their diet or exercise routines. Let me say that again, they didn't diet. They didn't exercise, they just got the vaccine and lost fat. Incredible, right? But here's the medical truth. We are not mice. Human metabolism is far more complex, and just because something works in the lab doesn't mean it's safe or effective for you and me. That's why the researchers are now doing safety trials in humans, and we need to ask some big questions. Will it affect hormone levels long term? Could blocking somatostatin cause side effects elsewhere in the body? What about psychological triggers for obesity? Stress, trauma, emotional eating? Because weight gain isn't just about calories, it's about hormones, behavior, genetics, sleep, and mental health. Still, let's not underestimate how groundbreaking this could be. Today, we already have weight loss injectables like Ozempic and Wegovy, which mimic GLP-1 hormones to reduce appetite. But these need to be taken weekly, can cause nausea, and are expensive. A single vaccine offering months of effect could revolutionize the treatment landscape, especially in parts of the world where access to lifestyle counseling and long-term medications is limited. But here's where the controversy starts. Some critics argue we're heading into dangerous territory, medicalizing weight, chasing a thin ideal, and encouraging shortcuts over healthy habits. Others say obesity is a global epidemic, and we need every tool we can get, including vaccines. Where do I stand? I believe in balanced medicine. If this vaccine proves to be safe, effective, and affordable, it could be a life-saving option for people who are at risk of diabetes, heart disease, or joint damage due to obesity. But it should never replace nutrition, movement, or mental health care. It should support them. So what's next? The trial is still in early stages. We may be years away from approval, but keep an eye on this because if it works, it won't just change bodies. It could change the entire conversation around obesity. This is Dr. Mohammad, and if you found this as fascinating as I did, don't forget to share it, especially with someone who's been silently struggling with their weight. Because the future of weight loss might come in a syringe.